What if the next revolution doesn't come from a phone? What if it comes in the form of a robot that could change every industry on Earth, from manufacturing and healthcare to logistics and even our everyday homes? Today, we're exploring why Tesla's Optimus might not just be another robot, it could be bigger than the iPhone. In 2007, Apple Inc. introduced the iPhone, and the world changed forever. It wasn't just a phone, it transformed how humans communicate, work, and live. The iPhone turned computers into pocket devices. It created the app economy, generating trillions in global value. It reshaped industries like photography, banking, transportation, and entertainment. And it completely redefined what consumers expect from technology: speed, intelligence, and seamless design. But now a new question is emerging. Tesla Inc., led by Elon Musk, is building something radically different. Tesla Optimus, an AI-powered humanoid robot designed to work, assist, and potentially replace human labor in everyday tasks. Not software, not a device, but a physical intelligence in the real world. The iPhone reshaped digital life, but could a robot reshape physical reality? Can a humanoid machine have the same global influence as a smartphone? Because if it can, we may be witnessing the next technological revolution. If you're curious about the future of tech that could change life as we know it, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out on deep tech breakdowns like this. What is Tesla Optimus? Imagine a machine built not just to compute, but to move, think, and work like a human. That's the vision behind Tesla Optimus from Tesla Inc. Optimus is designed with a humanoid shape, 2 arms, 2 legs, and human-like mobility, so it can operate in environments already built for people. No redesigning the world. The robot adapts to us. But what makes it powerful isn't just movement, it's intelligence. Optimus is powered by Tesla's advanced AI and neural networks, built from the same technological foundation behind Tesla's full self-driving system. That means real-world perception, decision-making, and continuous learning. This creates something new: mobility plus intelligence. Unlike static machines that perform one task in one place, Optimus is designed to handle multiple real-world jobs: lifting, sorting, assisting, and performing repetitive or dangerous work. A truly task-oriented robot. And here's the boldest part. Tesla claims that if demand exists, billions of units could be produced. Like cars, but potentially far more scalable. Not just a product, a global workforce of intelligent machines. The real question is, if robots become this capable and this widespread, how will it reshape work, productivity, and the future of human labor? Why the iPhone was a revolution. In 2007, Apple Inc. introduced the iPhone, and it became the benchmark for mass technology adoption. Its first breakthrough was ease of use. A simple touchscreen replaced buttons, making powerful computing intuitive for billions of people. Then came economies of scale. As production grew, smartphones became more affordable, spreading advanced technology across the world at unprecedented speed. But the real revolution was the developer ecosystem. The App Store created a platform economy where developers built services for everything: communication, banking, transportation, entertainment, generating trillions in economic value. The impact was global. The smartphone boosted productivity, influenced GDP growth, reshaped entire industries, and transformed human habits: how we work, socialize, shop, and consume information. The iPhone wasn't just a device. It redefined consumer expectations, accelerated digital culture, and changed how society connects and operates. It proved one powerful idea: when technology becomes simple, scalable, and widely adopted, it doesn't just improve life, it reshapes the world. The iPhone reshaped digital life. But what if the next revolution reshapes physical reality? Here's why Tesla Optimus from Tesla Inc. could become even bigger. Reason 1. Software and AI scale versus hardware scale. Hardware scales slowly. Software scales instantly. Optimus runs on Tesla's real-world AI, the same neural networks trained by millions of Tesla vehicles navigating complex environments. This creates massive data feedback loops. Through transfer learning, intelligence developed for driving can evolve into robots that understand movement, objects, and human environments. The smarter one robot becomes, the smarter they all become. Reason 2. Market size potential. Phones are personal devices. Robots serve entire industries. Optimus could work in homes, factories, warehouses, hospitals, elderly care, and education. One humanoid robot could replace dozens of single-purpose machines, dramatically expanding the total market beyond smartphones. Reason 3. Labor market disruption. A robot workforce could redefine global economics. As populations age and labor shortages grow, demand for automation skyrockets. Countries like Japan already face severe workforce gaps, creating urgent need for intelligent machines that can assist or replace human labor. Reason 4. Continuous improvement. The iPhone updates once a year, but Optimus could improve continuously, learning from real-world experience, updating its AI, refining its abilities, and upgrading both software and hardware over time. Reason 5. The Elon Musk effect. Visionary leadership attracts talent, investment, and global attention. Much like Apple's early days, bold ambition accelerates innovation. So the real idea is simple. If smartphones transformed how we live digitally, intelligent robots could transform how work itself happens. And if that future arrives, Optimus may not just be another product. It could become an entirely new economic platform. Only halfway in, and we're just getting started. Smash that like button if you're fascinated by humanoid robots becoming reality. Subscribe to CypherLogic HQ for more deep tech breakdowns. So how does Tesla Inc. actually scale Tesla Optimus to billions of units? First, gigafactory production. Tesla already operates massive manufacturing facilities designed for scale. These factories could shift from building cars to building robots, while vertical integration gives Tesla control over its entire supply chain. Second, AI expertise from Autopilot. Years of self-driving data have trained Tesla's neural networks in real-world perception, understanding objects, movement, and environments. That experience gives Optimus a major head start. Third, cost reduction through scale. Cars like the Tesla Model 3 became more affordable through high-volume production. Optimus could follow the same path, becoming cheaper as production grows. Fourth, iterative real-world learning. Robots improve by doing. Tesla can deploy early versions in controlled environments, collect data, and continuously upgrade performance, creating rapid improvement cycles. And finally, the Elon Musk factor. Unlike many robotics companies, Tesla treats Optimus as a core mission, not a side project, driving massive investment and long-term commitment. If Tesla executes this strategy, the goal isn't just building robots, it's mass-producing intelligent machines at global scale. Don't forget to subscribe. We break down future tech like this weekly. Imagine a future where intelligent machines work alongside humans every day. In homes, robots help the elderly, assisting with daily tasks, providing support, and improving quality of life. Independence lasts longer. Care becomes more accessible. In factories, production runs 24/7 with minimal human labor. Dangerous, repetitive work is handled by machines, while humans focus on creativity, innovation, and decision-making. And this shift doesn't eliminate work, it transforms it. Entirely new jobs emerge in robot design, maintenance, programming, and supervision. But the real breakthrough is shared intelligence. Robots like Tesla Optimus, developed by Tesla Inc., could learn new skills through connected networks. When one robot learns a task, that knowledge can instantly spread to millions of others. A global system of continuously improving machines. This isn't just automation. It's a future where human potential expands. Powered by intelligent partners built to help us live, work, and create more than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share it with friends who love future technology. Tell us in the comments what future you're most excited about, robots or something else. And don't forget to subscribe to CypherLogic HQ. Your support helps this channel grow and brings more in-depth tech insights your way.